Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to change or reset the pin code on your LiftMaster garage door opener and you've actually forgotten the old pin. We can actually reset this and set a new pin without having the old pin. So what you need to do is get inside to the actual indoor switch that opens the garage, or sometimes it's on the actual opener itself, and you need to locate the Learn button. And what you'll do is you need to come in and press and hold the Learn button for 6 seconds. And after 6 seconds, the light indicator next to it should turn off. Once it turns off, then you can go. Then what you want to do is press the Learn button one more time until the light comes back on. Now, once that happens, then you can go over to the pin pad and enter a new code. Now, you only have 30 seconds to enter the new code once you put it in the new code learning sequence. So you'll just put in the new code, and then you'll just hit the enter button to confirm. And then just go ahead and try it and check it and make sure it worked, and so you don't need to do it again.